In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your hosting your name servers to Cloudflare name servers step by step. If you're connecting your domain to Cloudflare for better security, faster performance, or DNS management, this is the exact process you need to follow. Don't worry, it's beginner-friendly and only takes a few minutes to set up. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is add your domain to Cloudflare. So go ahead and log into your Cloudflare account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account at cloudflare.com. Once you're logged in, click on the Add a Site button. Then enter your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com, and click Continue. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records automatically. After the scan is complete, you'll be asked to choose a plan. You can select the free plan if you're just getting started, which is more than enough for most websites. Continue through the setup until Cloudflare assigns you 2 name servers. Now this part is very important. Cloudflare will provide you with 2 specific name servers. They will look something like abby.ns.cloudflare.com and mark.ns.cloudflare.com. Yours will be different, so make sure you copy the exact 2 name servers shown in your account. You'll need these in the next step when we update them inside Hostinger. Keep this Cloudflare tab open so you can easily copy and paste. Next, open a new tab and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Domains section. Find the domain name you want to update and click on Manage. After that, look for the Name Servers option. This is where your domain is currently pointing, most likely to Hostinger's default name servers. Now click on Change Name Servers. You'll see fields where you can enter custom name servers. Delete the existing Hostinger name servers and replace them with the 2 Cloudflare name servers you copied earlier. Make sure there are no typos and that both name servers are entered correctly, one in each field. Once you've pasted the 2 Cloudflare name servers, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've officially pointed your domain from Hostinger to Cloudflare. Now keep in mind that name server changes do not happen instantly. DNS propagation can take up to 24 hours, although in many cases it updates much faster, sometimes within a few hours. During this time, your website may still resolve using the old settings until the update fully propagates worldwide. You can go back to your Cloudflare dashboard to check the status, and once the name servers are active, Cloudflare will confirm that your domain is successfully connected. And that's how you change Hostinger name servers to Cloudflare name servers step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials on domains, hosting, Cloudflare, and website optimization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.